Hello everybody! Today I would like to present you the QBit workspace and especially the new feature which is instant previews for RMarkdown documents. So once you've created your account at Quantargo, you can head over to the dashboard where you see the workspaces section to create a new workspace. I'm hitting here the new button and create a new workspace. So I'm selecting here a name, for example RMarkdown output preview, and I'm selecting the right template, which is in this case an RMarkdown document. So I'm creating a new workspace here, which instantly creates a new QBit workspace. So the nice thing about QBits is that you can then easily share the QBits with your friends. So you can just copy over the link and post it over or share it on social media. And the other nice thing is it's also completely accessible through an API, so you can also easily deploy and automate things with QBit's workspace. So more of this will come very soon. So the workspace has now started up, so the lights are green here. I'm also having here an environment pane. I see here my files and also the packages. So I'm here able to install one of the now over 17,000 R packages which are available. Okay, and once the workspace has been created, I'm already able to hit the render button, which now starts the knitting of the RMarkdown document. So the output which has been selected here is HTML document, and you instantly see here the output. So you see here the rendered RMarkdown document with the output as HTML document. So this is all quite just very standard. And the nice thing actually about RMarkdown is that you can easily select other output formats as well. So for example, I can also select here a PDF document. I hit the render button. And you see instantly it has now rendered a PDF document. So for example, I can also now change the title. I can also change the title here. So for example, my PDF report, hit save, hit render. And again, see here the newly created title with my PDF report. So you see here that iteration is very fast with this preview feature. Most of the time you might prefer the viewer here, which gives you a larger view of your document. And of course you can also hit here open to see then the full screen of your created document. So this is all quite nice and also already implemented within your browser. So nothing very new here. Now comes the speciality. So for example, you can also create Word documents. So I use here Word document as output parameter, hit render. And you instantly see here, it has now created a Word document. So of course we can change here the title to my Word document. And you see here again, if I hit render, you see instantly the newly created Word document. So this is really cool to iterate on documents and create documents. And of course, you can then share those documents with your friends. And last but not least, we also have presentations. So if you prefer PowerPoint presentations, you can also use this within RMarkdown. So I'm using here PowerPoint presentation as output format. Again, I hit render here and instantly see here my PowerPoint presentation. For example, I have here changed the title again to my PowerPoint presentation. Hit save, render, and again see instantly the PowerPoint presentation. So you can open this, you can save this PowerPoint presentation if you wish. Of course, you can also then add more packages. So for example, if you want to create a flexdashboard, you can need to install other packages as well. So this will then be covered in the next in the next session. And of course, if you prefer to work locally on your workspace again, you can then hit here Workspace on Workspace Export, and this exports your entire workspace as an RStudio project, and you can then work again within RStudio on your documents. So I hope you liked it, and just try it out, create an account, and within the dashboard, again, in Workspaces, create a new workspace, and you're done. The other possibility for workspaces which are already existing, like this one, you can also just hit here, copy and edit, create here a new name, RMarkdown new preview, and create a copy of the workspace. So that way, then you make the workspace your own, so you can easily edit it, add packages and so on. So this is needed to then iterate on the workspace and make it your own. So I'm really happy to see your workspaces, and just try it out and have fun and give us honest feedback. Happy reporting.